Hi AP Music kids. Here's what we're going to be doing during our online learning experience. I want you to go to the internet and we're going to go to a place called Teoria, Teoria.com. Teoria.com. We've been there before. You've seen it a couple times. Looks like this. You got your tutorials here. We're going to go to exercises. Under exercises, I want you to scroll down. Under scales and melodies, we're going to be doing two-voice dictation. For our first week trying this, and especially under these odd circumstances, here's the settings I want you to use. We're only going to do major with no more than quarter notes, and I want you to start with just 3 notes. I want you to set your settings, so you're going to do 5 exercises. So we're ready to go. Once again, major, quarter note, melodic complexity, and I say that with quotations. Show first note, normal speed, 5 exercises. Ready to go. Okay, you can tell which staff I'm going to be working on because it's highlighted. Let's listen again. And then you start making your guesses. I'm going to come down here. I heard half notes. I'm going to listen again. I thought it went so, T, do. So I go down here. I'm going to tell. From G, I went down to a B. Oh, it went up. So I'm just going to go over here and change octaves. And then I know it ended on a C. So I'm going to click C. There you go. All right, let's listen to the bass line now. One more time. I think it went do, so, do. So started there on a C. So is G. Oh my goodness, wrong thing, wrong clef. Undo. Tell them the clef I'm working in. I thought it went from C up to G back to C. So I'm going to tell them G, up the octave, down to C. Change that octave. I think I have it right. I'm going to listen one more time. I think so, so I'm going to check my answer. Yeah, I did it right. Next one. Let's listen again. I think the melody just went do, re, mi in the key of F. So F, still using half notes, up to G, up to A. Let's listen into that bass line again. I think the bass line just went do, ti, do. So that would be F, which I already have, E, where'd you go, E, back to F. That's what I think it is. Let's check my work. Yay. All right, so let's listen in there again. Listen to the bass now, bass line. Okay, I think I got this one. Bass line, I just think went do, ti, do, so that would be C, down to B, back to C. And I think the melody just went do, re, mi. We'll listen one more time. And that's my guess. So up here, C, up to D, up to E, check my work. Yay. Next one. Okay, the melody definitely went do, re, mi, G, half note A, half note B. I think the bass line just went do, T, do, but let's listen again. Yeah. So down here in the bass line went from do down to T. Notice I didn't have to change the accidentals. It's just in the key signature. F is automatically F sharp. Anyways, back to G. That's what I think it is. Yay. Let's listen again to see which line was which. Okay, alright. I think the bass line was the one that moved do, re, mi, C, half note up to D, half note up to E, and I think the treble just went do, T, do. So it'll be C down to B, back to C. Let's listen one more time. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about that, so I'm going to check my answer. Yay. Next exercise. That tells me I've done my 5. It's going to tell me how long it took me, how many I did, how many got right or wrong. I was lucky that I got them all right. I usually don't. And then what I'd like you to do at that point is take a screenshot of this somehow. I know on my laptop here I have this app called Grab. I think it's opening up here, and I can take a screenshot. Yep. So I would just drag over this. I have a screenshot, and this is what I'd like you to send me. I'm sure there's some way on your device, on your phone or on your laptop or on your computer where there's a way that you can do a screenshot. And what I'd like you to do is send me a screenshot of that and upload that. What I would like for this class is 3 examples of this during the course of the week. All right, so you need to do 3 examples of this in the course of 1 week, and that's going to be what you're expected to do for AP Music Theory online for the first week of the coronavirus shutdown. All right, good luck. If you have any questions, by all means get in touch with me, and I hope you're all doing well.